The Earth's atmosphere is made up of gases, which trap heat from sun's rays, making it habitable for us, and the countless species on land and in water. In 650,000 years of the Earth's existence, the planet has gone through 7 cycles of cooling and warming. But currently, the Earth's atmosphere is warming 10 times faster than usual. Human activities, including agriculture, livestock management, transportation, urban cooling, deforestation, and industrialization, have led to the emission of carbon dioxide, CO2, and the greenhouse gases. These gases act as a blanket, absorbing heat and blocking it from escaping. This causes global warming and climate change. Climate change is also driven by erratic rainfall, warming of oceans, shrinking glaciers, extended dry spells, and heat waves. Climate change affects the entire ecosystem. On World Environment Day, let us pledge to restore the ecosystems and protect all forms of life.